Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing National Car Rental, a popular car rental service known for its efficient and customer-friendly approach. National Car Rental aims to make renting a car smooth and convenient, whether you need a vehicle for business trips, vacations, or daily use. The National Car Rental app allows users to browse available cars, make reservations, and manage bookings with ease. Its interface is intuitive and designed to help users quickly find the right vehicle to suit their needs. The app also offers features like expedited rental service through its Emerald Club program, which lets frequent renters skip the counter and choose their own car from a reserved area. National Car Rental has a wide variety of vehicle options, ranging from economy cars to luxury SUVs, ensuring there's something for every traveler and budget. The company is known for maintaining a reliable fleet with well-maintained, clean vehicles. Their customer service is accessible and responsive, helping resolve issues and answer questions promptly. Safety is a key focus for National Car Rental, with vehicles regularly inspected and cleaned to meet high standards. The app also provides useful information on rental policies, insurance options, and roadside assistance, offering peace of mind during your rental experience. Pros of National Car Rental include a user-friendly app, a broad selection of vehicles, and a loyalty program that rewards frequent renters with perks and upgrades. On the downside, some customers have reported occasional availability issues during peak seasons and higher prices compared to smaller rental companies. In summary, National Car Rental delivers a dependable and convenient car rental experience suitable for a variety of travel needs, backed by solid customer support and efficient service. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.